Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to see loft guide option. So once you created the 4 sketches in 4 line, create a guideline. So now go to the loft option and select the sketches. So now select the guide sketch. Now we can see the loft part will be get guided. So as you see, now you have been created a sketch with one side for guiding. So now we going to see on both sides we can use the same guide option. So once the guideline is selected, make it closed loop for the second guideline. So now you can see the part is guided on the both guideline. Thank you for watching this video. Continue to support our channel. Give your support by subscribing our channel.